Assalamu alaikum class. I am your math teacher from Light School. Open page number 17. Rule: when there are two or more than two operations, then we use DeMoss rule, where D is for division, M is for multiplication, A is for addition, and S is for subtraction. The operations are used in the same sequence as given in DeMoss. Sequence is that first we solve division, then multiplication, then addition, and last one subtraction. Now I am going to solve exercise 1T at page number 18. Fill in the blanks. 4 multiply 5 20. 20 minus dash is equal to 12. We subtract 8 from 20, then we get answer 12. So we write here 8. 9 plus 4 minus 4 multiply 2. Here we use DeMoss rule. First we multiply these two numbers, 4 to the 8. 9 plus 5 minus 8. Now we add these two values, 14. 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. Then we write here 6. Dash multiply 5 divided by 5 is equal to 10. We first solve division. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. 1 multiply 10 is equal to 10. Again we solve by DeMoss rule. 8 plus 9 17. 17 minus 6 11. 11 minus 5 6. So answer is 6. 6 plus dash minus 8 is equal to 0. We add 2 in 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Question number 2, true false. 9 plus 1 10. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. So this true. 4 multiply 5 20. 20 minus 3 17. And here answer is 8. So it is false. 49 divided by 7 7. Plus 10 17. This one is true. 54 minus 4 multiply 10 divided by 5. We first solve division. 10 divided by 5 2. 2 multiply 4 8. 54 minus 8 is equal to 46. So this is true. 3 to the 6. 6 plus 4 10. 10 minus 3 7. Here answer is 9. So this is false. Question number 3. Select the correct answer from the given options. We solve according to DeMoss rule. 3 multiply 5 15. 15 plus 8 23. 2 multiply 4 8. 8 plus 8 16. 16 minus 9 7. 10 divided by 5 2. 2 multiply 6 12. 12 plus 5 17. 8 minus 4 plus 9. First we solve addition. 9 4 plus 9 13. 18 minus 13 5. 4 plus 8 multiply 3 minus 20. 8 3 the 24. 24 plus 4 28. 28 minus 28. Next questions we will solve on whiteboard. Exercise 1D, page number 18, question number 4. Simplify this. We use here DeMoss rule because here are two operations, addition and subtraction. According to DeMoss rule, we first solve addition, then subtraction. So we add these two values, then we get 572 minus 62 as it is. Now subtract these two values, then we get 510. Now here are two operations, multiplication and division. So we divide these two values, then we get 5 answer. So we put here 5. Now we multiply these two values, then we get 4155 is your answer. Here 91 minus 45 is equal to 46 minus 30 as it is. Now subtract these two values, we get answer 16. We solve here division. So 144 divided by 9 is equal to 16. We divide here and write here 16 multiply 4. Then multiply these two values. Answer is 64. Question number 5. Here multiplication plus addition. Multiply these two values, then we get this answer plus 130 as it is. Now we add these two values, then we get this answer. Here subtraction and division. We first solve division. 75 divided by 5 we get 15. Write down here 15. Now subtract these two values. Answer is 85. Here subtraction and multiplication. First we solve multiplication. 7 multiply 10, 70. 70 minus 70 is 0. 28 divided by 4 is equal to 7. So put here 7 plus 24 as it is. Answer no. Add these two values, we get answer 31. Question number 6. Here three operations: multiplication, subtraction and addition. First we solve multiplication. 9 multiply 5, 45 minus 15 plus 8 as it is. Now we add these two values according to Demos's rule. We first solve addition. 15 plus 8 is equal to 23. 45 minus 23 is equal to 22. Here are addition, division and multiplication. So we first solve division. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. 4 as it is plus 3 multiply 5. Now we solve multiplication. 3 multiply 5, 15. 4 plus 15, 19. 72 plus 8 minus 4 multiply 2. First we solve 4 multiply 2, 8. Remaining values as it is. Now we add these two values. 72 plus 8, 80. 80 minus 8, 72. First we solve division. 15 divided by 3, 5. Remaining values write on as it is. Now we multiply. 7 multiply 6, 42. 42 minus 8 plus 5. Now we add these two values and then subtract these two values, we get answer. 9 multiply 45, 45. Remaining values as it is. Now we add these two values, then we get 50 minus 45 as it is. Now subtract these two values, answer is 5. Here are multiplication, division plus addition. So we solve first division. 9 divided by 3, 3. 36 as it is plus 8 as it is. Now we multiply these two values. The answer is 108 plus 8. Then we add these two values. Then answer is 116. 120 divided by 12 is equal to 10. Multiply 3 minus 15. 10 multiply 3, 30. 30 minus 15, 15. 63 divided by 7 is equal to 9. So put here 9. 36 as it is minus 9 plus 8. Now we add these two values. Answer is 17. Then subtract and answer is 19. First we multiply. First we solve division, then multiplication and then subtraction. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So put here 1. Remaining values as it is. Now multiply. 10 multiply 1, 10. 21 minus 10 is equal to 11.